right, hello, it's me, Melissa, again, and I have another Art Snacks. This is the last one I will be getting. I canceled my subscription because I'm actually not very happy. I kept getting, like, I got two of the same pencils, and I don't know. I might change my mind, but this is the last one I've got. So let's see what we've got. Banana. I hope everybody's doing well. I've been kind of lurking here and there. Had a couple days off work. I got to catch a few streams, which was nice. Mostly I've actually been working on, I got a few more Copics, and I've been working on the Raven page from Phantomorphia. And I'm really digging it. I'm loving how it's turning out. Should be done soon. Like, I've only got the beak and a few more spattering of things, and then I should be done. But I also bought some titanium white gouache to do some highlights. So I'll go in, instead of with a gel pen, I can do a little bit finer highlights with a paintbrush. I have words. I know words. Words are good. These are all the new Copics that I got recently, and I have more coming that I still have to put into my my stand, which I'm probably going to move back to my desk because it's all the way over there. And I've been enjoying marker coloring. So, plus with work, my hands aren't quite as awesome as they once were, and my wrist tires easily, and so I'm trying to give myself a break. But let's see what we have here. Let's see. Another pencil, because we need more pencils. There's the lead. Pentel Orenz. Didn't they just give me, I just got a zebra pencil. How many pencils do I need? This is what I'm talking about. How many pencils do I need? Not only did I get this, but then I also got this and this, which is basically the same pencil, just one in two different types of woods. Like, how many pencils do I need? I don't. Maybe if I drew more, I should draw more. I just don't. I have ordered some, well, who doesn't need a luminance pencil? Prussian blue, too. I like this pencil. Maybe I should draw more. Maybe if I drew more, I would need more pencils. Luminance Prussian blue. This is just on some regular old Neenah. I think it's only 68 pounds. It's the thinner cardstock. I like my Luminance. They're fun. You get a really nice dark. And then you can just fade to nothing. Luminance are pretty. Who doesn't need another Prussian blue? And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So I will, for reals, be keeping that. Please do not advance the lead beyond the pipe. What? Just wait. Just don't do that. I don't understand. Okay, not good. So why does the, no pressure? I don't understand what that means. I don't get it. There are some things. Pencil is a one-click wonder. It's super sliding sleeve. You only need to click once to extend the lead and start writing. The sleeve prevents even the finest lead from breaking. Do not extend past the middle tip. It'll write without you actually seeing the lead. It's preloaded with B. lead. So, do I need to click again? Like if I run out? If I use it? So, straight up and down it works. To the side. But here's the problem. What if I wanted to do something like that? You can't. That's not writing anything. Like I can go up on it if I wanted to pull it back. There's nothing. Too many pencils. Let's see, what is this? It's all in Japanese. Cool. I did see Pentel on there somewhere. Zebra. Zebra. Let's see. Zebra Sensations double-ended brush pen. Fine and a medium waterproof pigment ink. So, oh, well, first of all, I think my pen is dry. Or the nib is messed up. Are you not supposed to go that way with it? Oh, I see. There is a little, nope, it's on every, nope, right there, nope. Gotta go faster. So what's the point of that? I mean, I'm really not happy, guys. This is kind of like a brush nib, except for I can't do calligraphy. So it's very flexible. Super flex nib. Can do some fine stuff. I've got my Tombow Fudenosuke pens. I'm really not, what am I supposed to do with that? Pump Action Chisel Nib Paint Marker. And it comes all wrapped up, just in case. It's May's favorite color. It looks like orange. Supposedly, this is a staff favorite. Pump up your artwork with Iron Lac Pump Action Paint Marker. Excuse me while I try to open this. This flexible tool can tackle a variety of surfaces from fabric to skateboard decks to glass and everything in between. Custom designed valve system allows for controlled output. Yeah, there's something in there to shake. Ensuring a clean application every time. It's also refillable and the nib is replaceable. Interesting. Pump. Pump. There it goes. You see it? Holy moly. Sure does take a lot. Ooh. I mean, it's paint. And it's orange. It's semi-opaque, I would say. I'm sure if I went over it a few times. Nope. Also, I don't know that that's actually a waterproof marker. Maybe I didn't let it sit long enough. I shouldn't say that. But semi-opaque. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say it's semi-opaque because I can still see through that. But it's a very, can I do do some fine lines with that. Do some interesting. I don't know what I will do with this, but I'm sure I'll put it to use in Girl Scouts. Oh, was I supposed to? I don't know. Did I accidentally push the plastic? I did. Oops. So beware that the plastic sleeve that's on it can be pumped. Oops. Well, that's kind of sucky. But paint marker. Probably got paint on me. Waterproof pigment marker with a busted nib. Another pencil that can't write sideways. And then, you know, Illuminon's Prussian blue, which I will put this to use because I like my Prussian blue. Oh, it was not a good going away box. Oh, and it dries matte. See that? Oh, so it's not shiny. This is a matte paint marker. It really does lump up right there too. Interesting. Interesting. I'm gonna try to play with some stuff and see if I can't record some stuff with my... Oh, what am I trying to say? This is why I can't do videos anymore. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna try to like set it up where I can just record myself coloring every now and then. Maybe just like a 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there. Maybe just set to music real time. I don't know. I'm gonna try something because I want to give back, and I enjoyed making the videos, and I enjoyed the live streams for sure. But I really miss you guys. I think you guys are awesome. I love you all, and I will see you at some point. Toodles. Bye.